Mababaw, ganyan. Yun dati noon nung sink. Palaging basa yung mga estudyante. Basa. Pagkatapos mag-scrub, basang-basa ito. Kasi nagtitilamsik yung tubig. Kaya pinalitan natin ng ganito. Hopefully, hindi kayo mababasa. Okay? So, you open up the faucet. You regulate the amount of water. Okay? Then, proceed to your hand scrubbing. Okay? So, pinanggal ko na yung mga gamit ko. Okay. Now, what's the first thing that you should do? Of course, you have to wet your hands. Paano yung pagbasa ng kamay? Here. There. Okay? Let it flow to your elbow. Okay, ganun. Okay? Tapos, pagkatapos nun, sabon. 2 to 3 pumps of your soap. Ilalagay natin, walang soap pa. Baka naman sabihin yung soap pa. Pwede rin. Pero mas magiging yan. Liquid soap ang ilalagay natin. So, maglagay kayo ng 2 to 3 pumps ng soap sa kamay. Of course, you lather it. Then, you apply the soap into your hands. Hands, forearms. Okay, so sa hands and forearms, ilather nyo. Then, anong susunod? Nililistan nyo ba ito? Kasi ito yung mga gagawin niyo, no? Okay, so, apply the soap. 2 to 3 pumps of soap into your hands. You lather, okay? And apply the soap into your hands and arms. Okay? About 2 inches into your, above the elbow. Okay? Tapos, pagkatapos nun, you get your pick. Orange stick ang tawag doon. Yung parang toothpick na kasama doon. Okay? Tapos, you clean under your subungal areas. Under the nails. Under running water. So, nakaganyan siya, lilinisin nyo. Okay? May sabon pa yung kamay, ha? Okay. Pagkatapos nun, you drop the orange stick. Just drop it on the sink. And then anong gagawin mo? You rinse your hands. Okay, so again, rinse.
Nasa lab naman yan.
Rinse.
Huh? Nasa lab.
Okay. Then, susunod, anong gagawin mo?
Iba pa rin yung ano. Yan. So,
No, hindi pa. Again, you apply 2 to 3 pumps of soap into your hands. You lather, and then apply again. I-apply mo sa kamay mo. Ngayon, okay, naka-apply na ano? Ito, pag bagong-bago yung ganito ninyo, anong gagawin ninyo? Basahin nyo lang sa tubig. Pag bago yan. Okay? Then may sabon ito, yung Povidone soap. Be careful, because that is Povidone soap, ha? Povidone soap yun. Pag napunta sa uniform ninyo, ang hirap tanggalin. Yung mag-stain. Okay? So, basahin mo ito, then, you apply it on your... Pag ayaw mo ng soap, pwede nyo ang Povidone ang gawin mo mismo. Okay? You can apply the soap. Pag ito, kasi itong ginagawa natin, pag ubos na ito, ang ginagawa natin is you apply the soap into your hands. Pero pag bago yun, bago yung, tawag nito, yung scrub ninyo, what you do is just, you wet this, and then you use this to apply into your forearms and hands. Okay? Magkukulay yan. Okay? Now, ano na susunod? No, you do not have to rinse. You are to scrub now. Ito na ang gamit nito. Okay? Now, there are 2 methods of hand scrubbing. Meron tayong tinatawag na counted brush stroke method or yung anatomic time method. What happened?